I am discussing about spermatogenesis very shortly and easily. What is spermatogenesis? Development of spermatogonia 46XY to spermatozoa or sperm from primordial germ cell is called spermatogenesis. Site of spermatogenesis, seminiferous tubule. Time of spermatogenesis, puberty onwards. Time taken for spermatogenesis, 72 to 74 days. Average sperm production per day, 100 million sperm per day. So process of spermatogenesis, time of spermatogenesis, puberty onwards. So shortly before puberty, the primordial germ cell developed into spermatogonia and remain in the wall of seminiferous tubule. The spermatogonia in turn differentiate into primary spermatocyte which remain in the stage of prophase of the first meiotic division of a long time, about 16 days. Each spermatocyte contain 22 pairs of autosome and one pair of sex chromosome named XY. With the completion of the first meiotic division, two secondary spermatocytes are formed, have equal share of cytoplasm and haploid number of chromosome, either 23X or 23Y. Then immediately follow of secondary meiotic division with a formation of 4 spermatid. Each contain haploid number of chromosome, 2 with 23X and 2 with 23Y. Immediately after their formation, extensive morphological differentiation of the spermatid occurs without further cell division to convert them into spermatozoa. Now I discuss about spermiogenesis. Transformation of spermatid to sperm is called spermiogenesis. Time taken of spermiogenesis 12 to 14 days. We know about parts of spermatid and parts of sperm. Parts of spermatid: Golgi body, nuclear material, mitochondria and centriole. And parts of sperm formation. Sperm form acrosomal cap, head, middle piece or powerhouse. They are present in mitochondria and tail. Now I discuss about structure of mature spermatozoa. It has get two parts, a head and a tail. The head consists principally of the considered nucleus and acrosome. Head consists with nucleus and acrosomal cap. Acrosome is rich in enzymes. The tail is divided into 4 zones: the neck, the middle piece and the peripheral and the principal piece and the end piece. Structure of mature spermatozoon: a plasma membrane and a acrosome. Outer acrosomal membrane consist and inner acrosomal membrane consist, and the sperm tail with the axonal complex which is essential for sperm motility. Axonal complex which is essential for sperm motility. Cross section view shows 9 pair of peripheral doublets join each other by Nexin link via 2 dynein protein arm. Enzyme for sperm motility is delivered from mitochondria in the middle part. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, like, comments and subscribe my channel. Thank you.